Hey everybody, Lucky here with the executive assistant from Big League. So time has come, 2018 Prizm Football. I know you guys have been busting all weekend, so box came in this morning, got some stuff cleared up for work, so now it's time to get into this stuff. So for me, this is my favorite product in the hobby. I think probably Topps Chrome Baseball is right behind that. And then it goes on from there. But for whatever reason, I just Prizm is my favorite. I like the color. I like the different not variations, but the different options you get, and holds its value. And from a quality standpoint, it's super good stuff. So enough talking from me. Let's get into this Joker. I like this box this year too. That's pretty cool. Saquon and Zeke on there. I'll probably keep this box one day, right? 50, 60 years from now. Hopefully both will be in the Hall of Fame, and we'll be able to look back and say, man, those guys were pretty solid. Who do you collect? So, ooh. Boom. Look at the color.
Oh, I can already see two whole big ones.
Oops, sorry about that. Smash the camera there. So, 12 packs. You'll grab her 6. Like I said, I'm going to hang on to the box. I'm not going to do the fold up. It's just a cool box.
I've kind of felt for the big ones.
Well, I don't think they have those in there. I don't give any patches. So get focused down here like that. And let's put the packs right here. Let's do this. Mixed reviews on some of the sites, but I mean, overall, I think if you like Prizm, then I don't see how you can be displeased with what you get, because you kind of know what you're looking for. In terms of the base set, and then the color. Whoa, trying to make a mess of this stuff here. So all right, bring my position a little bit. So Dominican Sue, that thing's super shiny. You can see us in the background there. So that's the base. No, it's not a halo. So we'll put these here in a stack. Deshaun Jackson, Jeremy Hill, Le'Veon Bell, Andy Dalton, Jacoby Brissett. I guess I should be checking the backs of these. I'm sure you guys seen the videos now of people with different backs. Christian McCaffrey, Devontae Adams. A rookie introduction, Darius Geis. Our first rookie card there. Sweet. We got a red shimmer, or red wave, Jimmy Graham, Packers. That's out of 149. Then we got a Ito Smith. We got a Ryan Izzo. And is that, that's a base rookie, so I'll put that over here. I still have to go back and see if we missed any halos. I just spent a little time just kind of taking the cards in. There's Edelman, and this reflection of me directly in the background is kind of crazy. I don't know if I can move the camera so I don't get myself as much. Well, I may not be able to help anything about that. Big Ben, Devontae Parker. I mean, these are actually shinier in person than the video captures. Amani Cooper, the new Cowboy. David Fushness. Jimmy Graham. Eric Weddle. Von Miller. Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame. That's cool. Orange die cut. Taekwon Lewis, rookie. This is out of 249. Careful, those die cuts are cool cards, man, but they can chip easy, getting them into things. Shaquem Griffin, rookie, and then a Jamon Moore, rookie. Just want to make sure, checking for rookie Prizms or halos. No, not halos. Halos optic, my bad. Sorry guys, I'm going a little slow with this one. Like I said, it's my favorite product, so I'm just kind of taking it in. Kirk Cousins, Antonio Brown, Jared Goff, solid year. Marshawn, Clay Matthews, Michael Crabtree. There's a Dak, Tyreek Hill, Jerry Wright, that guy, Alexander, base rookie. And we got Rashaan Evans auto, red auto, for the Titans, and that's out of 199. Dries Fontaine, base rookie, Alan Lazard. Jordy Nelson, Marcus Mariota, Michael Thomas, Brandon Marshall, Zeke, Kareem Hunt, Breakfast, Deshaun Watson, Dylan Benjamin, nice, light blue, Myles Garrett, die cut, that's out of 199. Got a DJ Moore rookie, Derek Nottie rookie. Stephon Diggs, Alejandro Villanueva, Brandon Cooks, the man Josh McCown. Maybe this may be his last card. I'm not sure if they'll make one for him this year. Cole Beasley, AJ Green, Marlon Mack, Greg Olson, sweet, Baker Mayfield, instant impact, nice. Leonard Fournette, orange die cut. Hopefully he comes back. He had a pretty strong hobby going into the season. Got a decent amount of his stuff. DJ Chark and Tony Fumagalli. Alright, my last pack here. We got Jordan Reed, Alvin Kamara, Cam Chancellor, Alvin Cook. That 17 class is starting to be a pretty nice class, man. When you look it back now, and you see these guys in their second year and look back at their hobby, what their 17 cards are doing. That's good stuff. Tyler Effort, Jack Doyle, Devontae Booker, Deion Buchanan. Oh, sweet. Tom Brady. I don't know what this is. Like a green yellow splash type thing. That's out of 275. Someone helped me out there. I heard it on the video. I was watching Packer card videos, but Patriots are playing right now, so that's cool. That's a nice color right there. That's why Prizm is, like I said, I think really popular with a number of people in the hobby. It's just so much stuff going on. Terrell Edmonds, but not crazy, right? Chase Edmonds, rookie. All right, so that's mine. I'm gonna grab a drink here real quick, then I'll go through her pulls. All right, let's see here. I guess we'll go through her base roll stuff and see if we got any of the key rookies fulls. Scarborough, Edmonds, Robert Woods, Bruce Irvin, Corey Davis. I'll go through these kind of quick, guys. Mark Ingram, Curse, Jackson. There's a base Brady. Trey Quinn rookie. Dante Pettis. Oop. Josh Norman. Sterling Shepard. Donald Thomas. Xavier Rhodes. Kelvin Ingram. Ramsey. Floyd. Deontay Foreman. Charles Suggs. Josh Sweat rookie. Deshaun Hamilton rookie. Mike Williams. Philip Beckham Jr. J. Howard. Hogan. Majewski. Demarius Thomas. Dan Bradford. And Jarvis Landry. Nick Foles, put that guy there. And let's see, got the rest of these. Marquise Lee. Jerome Baker. He's actually playing pretty good. James Washington rookie. It's cool. Andrew Luck. Robin Stewart. Cameron Brate. DJ Mosley. Case Keenum not playing well at all this year, especially after getting all that big money. Jones. Josh Gordon. Thielen. He's having a monster season. Cameron Rayward. Josh Allen. Bum elbow, but we'll see what happens with him. Wasn't playing too good, man, but he didn't have a whole lot to work with there. Justin Reed. They're actually, I'm not sure what's going on now, but they were playing decently against the Patriots before we came in here. Russell Wilson, Geikley, there's a Rodgers, Peppers, Leonard Fournette, Aaron Adams, Evan Ingram, Derek Carr, Amendola. There's a Josh Rosen, base rookie. Nice. Alex Collins, Doug Baldwin, Derwin James, Geno Atkins, Patrick Mahomes, second year, Marquette King. There's the man out of New Orleans, Perrine, Khalil Mack, and Todd Gurley. Okay, cool. So now we'll get into her color and everything else she has. So nice. Cortland Sutton, rookie, auto, patch, 3-color. That's nice. That looks really, really nice. This card's heavy too. That's out of 50. Cortland Sutton, wide receiver. Boom. Denzel Ward, red. Help me out, guys. Is it red wave or is it red shimmer? Auto. That's out of 199. Aaron Donald, blue, regular blue. Those are out of 199. Sorry, dude. Okay. And then here we are here again, Matt Ryan, and I can't remember what the heck these things are called. But these are out of, I think these are also out of, these are at 275. Russell Williams, green ice, or green cracked. It's out of 75. Sweet. Sean Lee, blue scope. And that looks really cool, especially with the uniform. That's nice. That's out of 99. Hope Sean Lee can stay healthy, man. I'm not saying he's on his way to Hall of Fame career, but if he could just stay healthy and just get a full season in. And then we got the Steve Young. I'm not sure what this is called. A19. It's a Prizm, but maybe it's just I'm not sure. It just says A19, but there's no like title of the card. But anyway, it's still cool. The man can play quarterback. Anyway, guys, that's it. So we got some solid base rookies in there. Nothing crazy on the rookie side, I don't think. But some nice autos. Like I said, I do like the product. Plenty of color here. There's Cortland Sutton. Cortland Sutton RPA is just, it's super nice, right? With the purple, it's got the shimmer going on. Nice big autograph. Place centered on there. Card looks to be in really, really solid shape. So that's super nice. But so guys, hope you enjoyed the break. I do have some retail boxes coming this, but once again, this is my favorite product, so I can definitely see probably busting another box of Hobby Disc once the price comes down a little bit.